Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to make a 3D detail of a section for a presentation. It can be handy to visualize a detail to someone so the person understands it better. So let's start building our floor. So to begin we're gonna make first the ground where the concrete slab will be on. So we go to the messing inside tab. There we click on top of solid. We're gonna make a simple rectangle, so like this. Now we're gonna make sure it's on the right one. Yes, it's on the right one. Finish editing mode. Now we're gonna look in the section if it's okay. Okay, it looks right for me. So now we're gonna do the concrete slab by going to the architecture tab, floor, selecting the concrete slab. Alright, we're gonna do pick lines. Okay, finish it. Now we're gonna see if it's okay. Now we're gonna move it down by shortcut move. Alright, select your concrete slab first, of course, and then you can move it. Now we can do the insulation on top of it, but we can do it in two ways. We can go back to our ground floor and draw the insulation like we did with the concrete slab, or another trick I will show you that is faster. We're gonna select the concrete slab, copy by CO, we're gonna move it above, and now the trick here is by selecting concrete slab, we're gonna change it to the insulation. So there we go. Voila, there we have it. That's quickly done. Now we don't need to draw it, but we're gonna move it again by shortcut MV and make this here. As you see, we are almost done here. Now we're gonna do the same with the screed. So we're gonna select the insulation, copy it, put it above. Now select it again and we're gonna change the material to the screed. Alright, there we have it. Now select it again, move it downwards, and there you have it. Now the only thing that is missing is of course the tiles. We can do it the same. So by clicking again, copy, moving above, selecting the tiles. There you go. Now move it again. And as you see, we have our floor here. That's the floor that I wanted. So we have our ground, concrete slab, insulation, your screed, and then the tiles. So we're gonna check in 3D now. As you see, that's how we want it. And now we're gonna move the section box a little bit more inwards. So we are cutting through the material and see how it looks. Now mine is hidden. So to unhide it, we go to the lamp here, click on it, gonna select the section box, and here unhide element, click on the lamp again, and voila, you have it. Now we're gonna move it a little bit inwards like this, and that's how we want it. Now we can see properly the layers, the tiles, screed, insulation, and the concrete slab, and of course our ground. So there we have it. We have our floor ready. Gonna hide it again so it's better to look at, and as you see, that's great. So now we can start to draw the wall. So let's get started. Now for the walls we go to the architecture tab, and you can find here walls, but you can also use the shortcut WA. And we're gonna start with the Kim block itself. We use it as part of the insulation here in our country. So we go to the ground floor, and we will draw the wall in the center line and disallow join. Base offset is 0. Okay, connected height will be 250, and we'll draw it in the middle right here. Let's go. There we have it. Now we're gonna go to the section and see if it's right placed. No, so it needs to be down here. So we're gonna measure it by using shortcut DI for dimension, and there you have it. It's 230, so it needs to be 230 lower, so minus 230, and voila, there we have it. Delete this dimension, and now we only need this part of the materials on this side. We need them separate because you will see later on in the video why. So we're gonna change that first by going to the ground floor level by selecting first the tiles, and then we go to edit boundary. Now use the align tool, AL, so it's sure is in the right place. Then we go finish it. Now we're gonna do the screed again with AL. Alright, finish it, and now we're gonna do it again. Align. Oh, wrong one. Align. Let's go modify. It's ready, and now we have the insulation online ready. Let's go. As you see, that's how we want it for now. So the next step, we're gonna do the edge insulation. Why? So the screed can expand without breaking. So we're gonna go again to the ground floor, WA, then we're gonna use the insulation right here, offset 0, and height, the height is 80, the same like the screed. Finish phase, okay, disallow join. Right, let's draw it. Now place it in the correct spot by going to the section. Gonna measure it again. Dimension right here. It needs to be right here, 110. Select it, minus 110. Let's go. That's in the right place. And now we're gonna do the upper wall. So again, to the ground floor, WA, selecting the wall right here. Finish phase, we're gonna change it to core center line, disallow join, and there we go. Now we get the thing here that the walls are overlapping, but that's okay. We're gonna change that. We're gonna make the connect height this one, right? And now we're gonna change. So the materials are interfering. I'm gonna measure it again. So dimension, it's 20, simple as it is. Now 20, let's go. We have it. The dimension. Now we're gonna do the plaster. So again, ground floor, WA, plaster, finish phase. All right, disallow join. Okay, so we're gonna use 40, and unconnected is the same as the wall. Now we're gonna draw it like this. Perfect. We're gonna look in the section. Alright, that's beautifully done. We're gonna use it like this. Right. We locked it in. That's great. Now we're gonna use a tile for here. So again, to the ground floor. Well, then the tile on the side again, finish phase, hello join, base of 0, 70, right, gonna tile it again, that's great, section, that's how it needs to be, right, now we need to move this a little bit inward, so the tiles are starting here, so we're gonna do that again by a line, like this, right, finish editing modes, and voila, we have our first half. Now we need exact the same here for the 3D detail. By doing that, very simple, we're going to select all the materials like this, then the plaster by holding Control key, and now we gonna do the mirror axis. So we're gonna mirror axis, and now make sure it's the box is checked on copy. Now we're gonna use the center line of the wall, and voila, we have the exact same from here to here. So that's how you done it quickly. Now I'm gonna check in 3D if it's alright. Okay, and that's how it looks. And it's ready to continue the 3D detail. So we're gonna do this in the next step. So let's start making this 3D detail complete by becoming this. So let's get straight into it. Now, first we're gonna select the insulation. We go to the ground floor, edit boundary, and we're gonna move it inwards like this. This will do. All right, finish it. Now we're gonna do the same with the screed. Go to the ground floor, edit it, make it a little smaller like this. This will do. Now we just need to do the tiles. So for that, again to the ground floor. But here we're gonna make use of the reference plane on the architecture tab. So click on the reference plane. Now we're gonna make reference planes like here. Now copy it. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we do the same for the horizontals. Now select it, copy it by 1, 2, 3, and 4. This will do, I guess. Now select the tiles, edit boundary, pick lines, and then we go like this, selecting them all, and there we go. Now we're gonna use the trim tool, and we're gonna use the tiles like this, and almost done. And we're gonna use the same like this. Right, remove this one, remove this one. We're finished. Now in 3D it looks exact what we want. Now we're gonna do the walls. So select the wall, making it like this. Okay, this one will be the same like this. This one will also be the same like this, right? I'm gonna make this plaster a little bit smaller, like this. Alright. Now we go use to the 3D, alright. And now the trick here, we're gonna use displace element to become this right here. So let's get started now by selecting the insulation. Go to display element, zoom a little bit more in. Now we're gonna move it so we have a straight line. That seems okay. Now we're gonna do the same with the screed displace element. Select the green arrow. Now we're gonna do the same like this. This should be enough, right? This looks already great. Now we're gonna do the same with the wall. So displace element. Select the green arrow. Make it fit to the line. Perfect. Gonna do the same with the plaster. So right here. Wait. Now again, make it a straight line above here. A little bit more. There we go. That's okay. Oh, I forgot to select these ones also with the wall, but no problem. We're gonna select the wall. We're gonna edit the displace element, so click on it, and now we want to add some elements to it. So we just do that by clicking. You see right here the plus icon, so you click, now you click also, and they are in the exact same place. You finish, save of course, never forget that, and there you go. They are in the exact same spot that the wall is. But now we're gonna use the plinth and the insulation for the creed. So we're gonna move this also by going to the top view, selecting this bubble, and we will move it right here and do the same with this, right? And there you have it, guys. And I see just a little more detail like here. We can move it this and this line, move it upwards, and there you go. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and leave me a comment if it's was very helpful for you guys. And yeah, please subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.